How to upload YouTube videos from mobile. Let's get started. Launch your YouTube. Here we go. Make sure you have already signed into your account. You will land to the home page. At the bottom, you're gonna find different icons. Click on this plus icon given at the bottom middle. With that, camera will open up. Now you can shoot the video to upload it, or also you can choose from the gallery. If you want to shoot the video, you can click on this red icon, but if you want to upload from the gallery, you can click on this icon given over here. For now, I'm gonna upload video from gallery. I have selected this one video. Now you can adjust the length of the video and then click on done. After you select the video, click on this icon. Now from this page, you are able to edit your video. You can add sound, text, stream, voiceover and so on. After you are done with the editing part, click on the option of next given at the top right. Now from this page, you are able to add caption to your video. Likewise, you can customize these settings, visibility, location and so on. After you are done with the customization process, you can click on the option of upload. And with that, video will be uploaded. So this is how you can easily upload YouTube videos from mobile. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.